Palestrina. Palestrina. That's not the beat. Let's follow. Follow appropriately. Look at your group members. This is not dance class. Tapping. Music. Music 210. All right, we can stop tapping now. Thank you. Now, again, I think that this is working. I've watched now, and I really think it's working when you get amongst your groups and you discuss it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get amongst our groups, and we're going to talk about the rhythm. Remember those key terms we've gone over? Meter, tempo, and is it a dance? You need to figure that out. You need to figure it out. Talk amongst yourselves.
It was definitely danceable. Like, I could not control myself. I just had to get up and...
Yeah, you're a really good dancer too. I like really good.
Elements.
I think it was like, what was the meter thingy?
I think the meter
it
was 4.
Yeah, I think so.
I got it.
Yeah.
4. It was kind of mid-tempo.
Yeah, I think
definitely
so.
a club banger.
Yeah.
All right. Group 3, you have been our shining stars today in class. So, please tell the class again. Now, Ventadorn, you've been rather chatty today in class, and I get that you want to let us all know your great musical talents from band, but I think you need to give maybe Gabrielle or Palestrina, you were a little off on that tempo earlier, so maybe you need to start us off first.
Well, we discussed it and we decided it was a meter of 4.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
And we also decided that it was very danceable.
You exhibited that earlier, so thank you. All right. Well, see, now, do we feel like we all learned from that? Do we feel like we understand the tapping? Do we get the tapping?
Yes.
Do we understand the point of tapping, the meter?
I think so, yeah.
So we're all on the same page that from now on, when we play a piece and I ask you about rhythm, we're going to be tapping. Okay, thank you. Class, now with this being our last element, I cannot explain to you how crucial it is that we get this one right. Now, I know that the tapping did not go so well with the tempo, so I think this is something you need to get in the practice of. We're going to start it now, because if you get into the practice now, it's going to be easier for you later on in class, because we are going to be throwing and talking about a lot more musical elements. Ventadorn, stop looking so irritated. So we're going to play this piece, and I want you, look at me, I want you to take your finger and follow with the piece, with the shape. So when the pitch and the range increases, I expect you to raise your hand up. And when the range drops, I expect you to do so accordingly. So follow with Carrie Hilton, not Beyonce, her voice. Okay, are we all ready? We're ready. No, class.
That's not...
No, class. No, I think I need to do it. I think I need to do a demonstration.
Okay, because that did not really go so well, I'm going to do a demo. You all are going to watch, and then this time we do it again together, it's going to go a lot better. Okay? Ready? Okay, are we starting to get it? Are we starting to feel it? Do we need to go over it again? I need a little feedback. I need some feedback.
I think
we got it.
Ventadorn isn't even here.
Okay, so now that you've seen me follow the range with my finger, I need you all to do the same, and I need your nod of approval that this is going to go a lot better. Palestrina, I want to know why you were delayed in nodding your head. In Music 210, we're all in this together, so we're going to now play the piece, and we're going to follow with our finger, okay? Okay. Fingers. Wow, see, we're going to do a little bit more to make sure you're getting it. Wow. Okay, all right. So I need, I need a little reassurance. How did you feel? Could you feel the beat and the shape?
Got a lot better.
Yeah.
So it didn't feel as awkward, right? Not as awkward. Now, again, do you see the importance of us learning and starting to do this now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm going to speak a little bit about melody because and you all have done so great talking to me about all the musical elements, but I'm going to talk to you about this last one because it's one of the first musical elements we learned, wasn't it now? Melody. Now, in Baroque 2 weeks ago, we learned that Baroque was angular music, didn't we? Now, this piece isn't so much angular. Would you say it's not? No, it is not. It's not. Baroque is angular, but Carrie Hilton is not presenting a angular style melody element in this piece. What about the range? I thought that there was not much differentiation in the range. That she stayed a pretty constant, and there was an inflection that you all showed me with your fingers, but for the most part the range was pretty constant. Do we agree? Yes. And this is also, I hope you all noticed this, but with dynamics, there hasn't been much differentiation in loud and softs. Now, I know some of our other musical airs we have discussed, there has been a very big dynamics component, but in this piece, dynamics, there was not too much differentiation. It was pretty much a constant loud volume between soft and loud. Okay. All right. Well, class, with that said, Ventadorn. Now, we're at our end. But I need you to make sure before you go that you lift your chairs. Lift. Do not scoot. So we're all going to go, and thank you for a great Music 210 class. And no phones. We're still in class. But we're going to get up and we're going to lift our chairs.